Okay, so problem 14. Firm Kappa uses capital K and labor L to produce output Q in a perfectly competitive market. The firm's production function is that, so the prices of capital and labor are R equals 6 and W equals 4 respectively. Moreover, the firm also receives a $1 subsidy. So all the repetitive problems, they just introduce tax and subsidy. So what do we do with the tax? I know that has nothing to do with this problem. A tax is add to the work. So a subsidy is a subtract one from the work. We might not see that. I'll write that out right now. But moreover, the firm also receives a $1 subsidy for each worker it hires. It gains $1 back for each worker. So the amount of money we pay to each worker we subtract 1. Therefore, that W becomes a 3. So what is the optimal mix of K and L? It's the exact same procedure. So just remember that $1, subsidy means, cheaper for the company, for the firm. Cheaper labor. We don't have to write all that out. Okay, so I'm seeing the fact that we have that. That's going to be our Q. We just set it for the wage. We say it correct. The wage is going to be the 4 that we pay minus the $1 subsidy. So the wage is therefore going to be 3. R, of course, is going to be 6. So we go ahead and do the marginal product of labor, which is K, 0.3 over L. 0.8. Marginal product of capital, which is 3/2 L to the 0.2, K to the 0.7. So we do MPL divided by MPK is going to equal K to the 0.3 over L to the 0.8, 2/3 K to the 0.7 over L to the 0.2. Same math problem over and over and over and over and over. And we're always going to, once we simplify that, we always set it equal to the W over R. We don't have to remember the vocabulary. We're supposed to. The isoquant, all of this comes from the isoquant, is set equal to the positive slope of the isocost. Nobody likes to say that out loud. Which equals 3/6, which equals 1/2. The 3/6, the 1/2 comes from them. So let's take a good minute to look at that. That's all the work there. So what is the outcome there? We just said that 2/3 K over L is going to equal 1/2. 3/2. K over L equals 3/4, and I get 4K star equals 3L star. That's what I'm getting right there. Oh, and that's the answer, isn't it? 4K star equals 3L star. I got E for that. So that was a very easy problem. Okay, so we go on to number 15 then, Where's number 15 going? Okay, good. Looks like number 15 is the last one for this chapter. Excellent. Okay, so the following figure represents the marginal cost of firm beta, a small firm in a competitive market. the current market price is P equals 120 and beta is producing quantity Q star that maximizes profit. The fixed cost of beta is 100. So we have the graph there. We have the price, which is 120, and we have the marginal cost. And we should know that we definitely want that Q10. Yeah. So we have all of that. Let's see if we can enlarge. It's kind of hard to fit all of it in there. So this is what I'm seeing here. The price is going to be 120. We see from the graph that the Q star where the two graphs intersect, it's always true. We take it where they intersect is going to be that. So we have the variable price. Yeah, the variable price. I'm sorry. The variable profit, yeah, is always going to equal the producer surplus. It's producer surplus. Remember, the producer surplus is just this triangle right there. That's also the variable profit, is what that also is, where they are the same thing. Variable profit equals producer surplus is going to equal 600, I think, here. But we have the fixed cost is going to equal 100. Yes, we have the triangle. I see the triangle there that we just shaded is 120 times 10 divided by 2. Don't forget how to do the area of a triangle. Equals 600. That's where I got that. So the producer surplus and the variable profit, the same thing. They do equal 600. Yeah. So I get this. The variable profit equals the producer surplus is going to be 600. Yeah. Furthermore, if the fixed cost, yeah, equals 100, then the total profit equals the variable profit minus the fixed cost, which is 600 minus 100. Therefore, the profit equals 500. Okay, so they go through all this. I didn't even read that. How much is the variable profit from firm beta? I get 600. Yeah, that's right here. Yeah, how much is the variable profit from beta is going to be 600. How much is the producer surplus is also going to be 600. So variable profit, producer surplus, they are the same definition there. How much is the profit of firm beta? We just have to subtract the fixed cost and then we get 500. So I get 600, 600, 500. Okay, it's not a multiple choice question. And then next is going to be chapter 4 homework. So we have all that correct. Okay, so now I think video 69, this one is. In this video, we have finally finished chapter 3. I will see everybody in the next video. Chapter 4 starts in the next video.